Good morning, Standard 7. I am going to start today chapter 3, Elements, Compound and Mixtures. Before I proceed to explain you about the topic chapter 3, let us first know about the term elements, compound and mixture. So first, elements. Elements are pure substance which are made up of one kind of atoms and can't be broken further by any physical or chemical process. For example, like iron, gold, silver, aluminium, magnesium, these are the elements which are made of single type of atoms. Till now altogether 118 elements known to us, and all are pure substance made of single type of atoms. Next term is compounds. Compounds are also pure substance but made of two or more element at fixed ratio or at definite ratio. For example, like water. Water is being formed by two elements. When hydrogen and oxygen react together, it forms a compound known as water. Carbon dioxide is also a compound, a pure substance made of carbon and oxygen. So, compounds are also pure substance made of two or more elements at definite ratio. Third is mixtures. Mixtures are impure substance, dear student. Impure substance. They are made of three or more elements or two or more elements in indefinite ratio. For example, air. Air is the best example of mixture. And in air, the composition of the air, as you know, many different gases used to mix together and form air. So air is the example of mixture. Dear student, in this video I am going to explain you now about the elements. So let us know about the element. First, definition of element. Elements are pure substance which cannot be converted into anything simpler than itself. By any chemical or physical process. So dear student, this is the definition of element. Elements are pure substance. As I told you, element which are made of single type of atom. Example like iron, copper, gold, silver, magnesium, aluminum, nitrogen, hydrogen. These all are the elements which are being made of single type of atom. So elements are pure substance, dear student. Now let us know few scientists who explained about the element. Robert Boyle and A.L. Lavoisier are two scientists who explain about the element. Let us know. Robert Boyle was the first scientist used the term element. First time was being used by the Robert Boyle in year 1661. Whereas A.L. Lavoisier experimentally established the definition of element. So these are the two scientists, Robert Boyle and L. Lavoisier. Let us know about the classification of the element. Classification of elements. Elements are classified into four main types according to their property, and these are: first, metals; second, non-metals; third, metalloids; fourth, inert gas or noble element. So dear student, elements are being classified according to the property in four categories: metals, non-metals, metalloid, inert gas, or also it is known as a noble elements. So let us know which elements are known as a metal. Dear student, those elements which used to show the property like good conductor of heat and electricity, lustrous, malleability, ductility, present in the solid state, hard, high melting and boiling point. So the element which used to show this all property are known as a metals. For example, like iron, copper, gold, silver. These elements are known as a metal. Second, non-metal. Those elements which are bad conductor of heat and electricity, they are non-lustrous, or you can say dull looking, non-malleable, non-ductile. So the element which used to show this all property are known as a non-metal. For example, like carbon, nitrogen, phosphorus, sulfur, and many more elements which used to show the property like bad conduct of heat and electricity, dull in appearance, brittle, bad conductor of heat and electricity, low melting and boiling point. Such elements are known as a non-metal. Metalloids, those elements which used to show the property of metals and non-metal are known as metalloid. Example like boron, silicon, antimony, germanium, tellurium. These are few elements which used to show the property of the metals and non-metals. Next is inert gas or noble element. Those elements which do not react with any other element known as a inert gas or noble element. For example like helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. These are few elements which do not react with any other element. So dear student, these are the four different type of the classification of element based on their property: metals, non-metals, metalloid, and inert gas or known as a noble elements. So dear student, I hope you have understood about it, element and classification of element. Once again about the element. Element are the pure substance which are made up of same type of atoms. Means in a particular element all the atoms are of same type. So dear student, please you learn the definition of element, name of scientist and their discovery, and also about the classification of element. Thank you dear student.